In the last video, we looked at the MT5 chart window and how to load and modify your charts. Now we want to take a look at a great feature of MT5 where we can add a number of smaller charts within the main active charts. In this video, we will look at loading a chart within a chart, changing the chart properties, monitoring multiple time frames, monitoring asset groups, and deleting charts. This feature can be found under the Insert menu item in Objects, Graphical, and Chart. Once selected, MT5 produces an object cursor which you can place anywhere on your active chart. The only way to move this small chart is to click on the top left corner and move it with your mouse. Each chart opens and replicates 4 characteristics of the main active chart: the symbol, the time frame, the degree of zoom, and whether you are using candlesticks, bars, or lines to represent price action. To change the chart properties, simply right-click anywhere on the chart and select Properties. We may alter the size of each chart, the symbol, the time frame, whether we want to display the price or the date, the degree of zoom or scale, and the relative position of each chart. The position of each chart is relative to any one of the 4 corners. Let's set up 2 charts with different corner settings to illustrate how this works. As an example of how to use these to monitor multiple time frames, let's say we want to trade gold on the 1-hour chart, but we want to monitor the general trend on the daily chart and perhaps price action on a lower time frame. M5, for example. Setting up is quick and easy. If you like this setup, you may save this as a template. However, selecting a different asset will require you to change the assets or symbols in the smaller charts. You can, however, save these in a profile. We will look at profiles in much more detail in the next video. Let's say that you like trading dollar-yen on the 15-minute chart and you want to monitor other yen pairs at the same time. Simply open Properties on each chart and select Symbol and change it on each chart. You may wish to make each chart smaller or remove the price or date. This, of course, can be set up for any asset group, indices, for example. To delete a chart, simply right-click and select Delete. As always, right-clicking on any active chart and selecting Objects List will display all objects in use, and you may edit or delete whenever required. That's all for now. In our next video, we will look at creating profiles in MT5.